Hi, I'm Thomas.
Hi, Thomas. Tell me what your favorite thing in the world is.
Video games.
Yeah? Which ones are your favorites?
Minecraft, Sonic, and Halo.
Here we have the prototype. This is the brain that fools the computer into thinking that this is a keyboard and mouse, so there's no software installation necessary. What I have here is directional pads mapped to W, A, S, and D, and buttons over here to mouse clicks and inventory and stuff. And this is your mouse movement on this tiny joystick. This was so Thomas could play Minecraft with a game controller configuration, because Minecraft doesn't natively support game controllers. Now, Thomas still has enough muscle control to use a game controller, but not everybody does. Let's say your arms were not as mobile, or your wrists were not capable of moving. Then you would switch to a lap board. Nice, comfortable board, sits on your lap, and you could place these wherever you wanted them on the lap board to be where would work for you. So let's close our inventory there. You see they still work. Let's jump out of there so I can still look around. You could put these wherever you wanted. It doesn't even have to be on the lap board. You could place a button on your shirt to work with your chin, or under your foot, under your elbow. Whatever works for you, this system doesn't care. It's cheap, and the fact is, since these are just simple switches, you could make your own switches to go in it out of wire or aluminum foil. It doesn't have to be complicated, and it doesn't have to be expensive. As you may have noticed, many of the parts here are 3D printed. I want to give special thanks to Lulzbot, the 3D printer company. When they heard about this project, they quickly jumped on board and donated a printer, just because they thought it was a noble cause. We, like Lulzbot, believe in sharing information freely, so I'm going to upload all of these files online so that anybody can download them for free and modify them, or more importantly, improve them. Like I said, I'm not an engineer. I encourage people to make improvements and make variations of my designs, or make new designs that are even better. When I started this project, I thought I was just going to be a quick little controller I'd make for Thomas, and then I would move on. What I found was so distressing and frustrating, I just couldn't leave it there. The cost for many of these devices online is extremely prohibitive. Something like a little button like this might cost upwards of $70, $80, whereas a tinkerer in their garage can make something like this for under $30, possibly $20, depending on what tools they have available. To that end, I've created thecontrollerproject.com. a site where tinkerers like myself can go and offer their services to help get people interfacing with their computers, and people who need help can go there to look for someone who can help with their specific need. That's thecontrollerproject.com. This has been an enlightening project. If you want to learn more details and see photographs or schematics or download the files, go to hackaday.com or this link to the actual project itself. There are also other communities that you should check out, such as ablegamers.com, a community of people with special needs. Or remember to go to thecontrollerproject.com if you'd like to offer your services, or if you need somebody's services. Be sure to leave a comment here also if you have any other resources that might be useful, or any thoughts on how to improve the system.
Minecraft's one of my favorites because you can build whatever you want.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have physics, which is even better, so you can make floating stuff, literally.
That's what my boys did. They built houses.
But sand and gravel are the only things with gravity.
Yeah.
I can imagine Isaac Newton playing Minecraft right now.